Hello, in this video let's chat about your company logo inside AgNote. I'll show you where to change it. I'll show you places where your logo shows up. I'll also point out a few functionalities which are new that relate to your logo in AgNote. And finally, I'll show you a few free tools that you can use to remove background from your logo. So currently I'm logged into one of my test accounts. By default, when you create a new account, AgNote will take the first letter from your account name and use that as a logo. So in this case, it's a letter D. To change it, we need to go to Account Management. And here we just need to upload a new logo. And for this example, I'm going to use this leaf logo. So select and upload. And now we get new logo uploaded. This logo shows up on all the PDF documents generated in AgNote, like maps, invoices, work orders, purchase orders. That's where your logo is going to show up. For example, if you go to maps and I would print this map, I'm going to select satellite view and I'm going to print it. And if you go full width, this is where our logo shows up. So far, this is nothing new. AgNote has always placed your logo, your company logo, on all PDF documents that were generated in AgNote. Let me close this document, and I'm going to go back to main dashboard. What is new in AgNote? Now your logo will also show up for all the reports that you email out. So for example, if I would email this active companies and properties report, so let me just email it. I'm going to include all the companies and I'm going to email it to myself and send. And now when I jump into my email program, that email I just sent, now all these emails, they will include the new logo. The new logo, your company name, and also what is new is in signature, it's going to be the user's name who sent that report. So before it was AgNote's logo and it just said AgNote, and also in signature it said AgNote. I chose this logo on a purpose. That image that I uploaded, it's a JPEG image which has a bluish background. There could be times that is the effect you want, that bluish background, but in my opinion it would look better if you could remove this background, the bluish background. Next, I'll show you two free tools that I frequently use to remove image backgrounds. One of those tools is Adobe Background Remover. You will need to register an account, but the background removing functionality is free. Once you created your account, you just need to log in, and then in a search bar, just search for Remove Background. So it shows up right there. So I'm going to click on Remove Background. And here all I need to do is select that image from which I want to remove background. So I'm going to select this image, open, and it will go ahead and remove it. And this is a good example that these tools will not always yield precise results that you want. In this example, it removed too much from my logo. But while I'm here logged into Adobe Express, let's see how it does with different images. Let's upload a different image. So I'm going to click on it. And how about we upload this farm? In this case, it did remove the background, the sky from the background, and grass from the front ground. And if this is the effect I want, all I need to do here is just download the image. The other application I frequently use for background removal is Paint application on Windows 11. Unfortunately, this option is Windows only, but if you are using a Windows computer, chances are that you already have it. And you don't have to create any accounts on Adobe Express or any other application if you want to remove background from your image. Here in Paint application, so to open the image, you need to go to File and Open. And let's open that logo we just tried to remove background in Adobe Express. So let's open it. And in Paint application, this button right here, that's the one is for removing background. So all we need to do is just click on it. And let's see how Paint application does. On this image, we can see that Paint application did a lot better job by removing the background and keeping the logo details on a page. And all I need to do now is save this image as PNG format. PNG format is what allows us to save image with transparent background. So to save it, let's go to File and Save As PNG image, and give it a save. Now back in AgNote, let's re-upload that image from which we just removed background. So that's this one here. I'll open and upload. And here we can see that this logo blends in with the background much better. And if we download a map, let's download a map again. And here on the map, we can see that logo now blends in much better than previously. And the same in email message. Now the logo doesn't have that square box around it with the bluish background. It nicely blends in with the background. And there we have it. That's how we would spruce up our account logo in AgNote, and few free tools that we can use to remove image background. Thank you.